Yeah. So can you just speak anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So yesterday we were learning about, first we were understanding what is Mern stack. M stands for MongoDB, E stands for ExpressJS, R stands for
React.js,
React.js, and N stands for
Node.js.
okay. MongoDB is the database where our data will be stored,
Yeah,
and ExpressJS and no ExpressJS and React.js are the frameworks of JavaScript which we will be using for developing the front end part. Okay.
front end, yes, sir.
And what is Node.js?
It's sir, it is used
Server-side
for
language,
backend
not just
server
like
side.
as an intermediate software.
Yes, it is the software which is run as a server. It is the server side programming which we will use for retrieving the data or accessing the data from the database. Okay, it is like the mediator between our website and the database. Okay, so this is the basic things which we have learned about this, and then we started learning about our HTML. HTML gives the structure to our website, CSS gives the design, and JavaScript gives the functionality. So in HTML, we were learning about tags. HTML hypertext stands for which will be giving hyperlinks, and markup means we are marking some text by using tags. Okay. So in that we have learned bold tag, we have learned italic, we have learned H1 to H6, and we have learned what else? List. We have learned list. We have learned horizontal rule and many tags, and we have learnt
Yes,
about boilerplate, how HTML boilerplate will look like. So if you see here, where is this? Yeah, it is like this is the boilerplate. This doc type defines the type of the file. It is HTML5, and HTML, this language is for disability persons. Okay, in this head we will be using meta tag. Okay, and here we are using giving the title. Where will this title be seen for us?
it displaying on the top.
On the top of the website, yes. And here we are having body. Inside this we can give our text, and we have learnt about many tags. Okay, what are the documentations we can prefer for using tags, for knowing about HTML? W3 schools, dev docs, and MDN docs. Okay, so we have learnt all this yesterday. So today, let us complete our HTML. Okay, today we will learn more about HTML. Okay, so yesterday we were using IDE. What does IDE stands for?
Integrated development environment.
Yes. So we can write our code in Notepad also, but we cannot execute it, and it will automatically won't understand what we are typing. So in VS Code, there is an AI tool. It will understand directly what you are about to write, and it will give you suggestions so that you can write it directly. Yes, yesterday we have done, right? So you need to create a folder. Okay. Inside that, you can give your HTML file. Okay. You can open this using VS Code. Okay. So yesterday we were doing this. Okay. We were adding an image as well. Okay. So we were using all these anchor tag. We have learned about anchor tag. Anchor tag is what? It gives hyperlinks. Like when I click on this Google name, it will take me to this website. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So today, let us start developing a simple website. Today, what we will do is we will learn more tags, like more 3 to 4 tags. Okay. After that, what we will do is we will develop a simple website using HTML, and we will learn how to host it on GitHub. Okay. Host it means whenever you share that link with anyone, they can open that website. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's just an HTML file where you can host it. Hosting in the sense, uh, there is GitHub gives you free server. That means GitHub has a database where they will be like how Google hosts all the websites in the same way. This GitHub gives you free space where you can upload your websites and you can access it from there. Okay, so let me show you what we are going to do. Okay, it is, we will develop a website like this. Okay, fine. This is like let's say a resume. Okay, here your photo, your name, and when I click on this my hobbies, it will take you to my hobbies. When I click on this contact me, it will take you to contact me. Okay, before doing this, we will learn two more concepts. Okay, we will learn about HTML tables. Okay, we will learn about HTML tables. Okay, this is HTML table. Okay, I'll just show you in VS Code. Now see here, uh, what is the shortcut to get our boilerplate?
Shift plus one.
Yes, exclamatory mark.
Exclamatory.
We can remove this. If you want, you can put this. Okay, these are not an issue. And here let us write your name, Jayasuri. Inside this body, now let us create a table. Okay, if you see this image, if you see this image here, everything is aligned properly. Are you seeing this? Dates, work. See now, what I can do is I can give like this paragraph. Let's say I can write 2010 to space. I can write like this, right? 2015 uh, programmer at some programmer at LTI Mindtree. I can write like this, and here I can take another P. I can write here 2015 or else 2016. Here I can write programmer at some company, IBM. Okay. Now if I run this, see the output, how it will be. Is it aligned properly in this line? No, no.
No, sir.
No,
This
sir.
is going
No, sir.
here, this is going here. But what I want is, I want to align them properly like this. Okay, like this, and here I should get this heading, here I should get this heading. So what you should use is, there is a tag which is called table. Okay, if you say table, okay, as usual, see, table consists of heading. Okay, if you see this image, you will understand this one. See here, this is the table. TR means table row, that means row 1. Okay, TD means table data. Angela is the first data, this is the second data. Okay, this is our first row, understood? And the second row starts from here. TR means table row. Okay, TD means first data, Philip. TD means 14, understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now let us write here. Okay, let me take a table row. Okay, and in this we should write table data, and first one is 2010 to, let's say, 2015, and another table data again. Here I'll write programmer at LTI Mindtree. Understood this point? Now
Yes.
outside the table row, see how I am closing the tags. Table row is over. Here I'll take another row. Okay, TD 2015 or else 16. Here I'll write, don't get confused. Are you confusing?
Oh,
No, sir.
Programmer at IBM. Now if I run, see the output. Is it aligned properly?
yes.
Sir.
Yeah. So now I want heading here. Okay, let's say I want some heading. So what you can do is, inside the table, there is something called TH as well. Table head, TH, which is table heading. Okay. Inside this, what you can write? You can write TD or else TD. Let me check it. I think it's not TD. TH. Okay. This gives you table heading. Okay. Uh-huh. 1 minute. Yeah, you can write like this. You can write TD. Now let us type here dates. Okay. Dates and another TD, which is work. Okay. Now if I run, okay. Yeah, I think I gave wrong. This doesn't work like this. Let me delete this. See, when it comes to table, it also has a structure. Okay. See, I'll just comment this for our understanding. Now you have three in this table. Table head. T head means table head. Okay. And T body, which means table body. Okay. And T foot, which means footer. Footer means down one. Okay. Now inside this three, inside this T head, we can write our table header, TH. Okay. First one is dates and second one is TH work. Understood? Here we are writing our headings inside this. Are you getting? Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Footer we don't use actually. Let us delete this footer. Inside this body, now you can write all this. You can just uncomment this, control slash, it's forward slash, okay? Control X and paste it here inside our body. Now if I run, see, are we getting
Yes, sir.
in bold? This
Yes,
is the
sir.
heading. This is the another heading. Okay, these are the first row. This is the second row. See, understand? Table, table head, inside table head th, and inside table body we are using table row. Okay, clear? See, let us see more properties about this. Okay, if you go to table head, let me type table mdn docs. This gives the documentation of table. See, what if I want some border like this? If you see down here, attributes. Okay, bg color, background color, border. This is the border. We can set it to any value. Let's say here inside table you can give a proper attribute which is called border, which is equal to, let's say, 1. Now let us try this. See, understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's say if I want some spacing, you can give there is something called cell spacing. Let us see. Wait. See, cell spacing. That means each cell will be spaced. See, now they are congested, right? Attached. We can change. We can give some gap to that. Actually, it should come. I should put comma, I guess. It's not comma. Cell spacing equal to, let's say, 20. Now you observe. Okay. See how it happened actually. Let me give it a bit. The border is not working fine. 1 minute. Let us check here. Or else we can use cell padding as well. Cell padding. Let me give cell padding. Okay, now see how much gap we got. Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cell padding. How to know about this? This is the documentation. Okay, these are so many. See, if you want whatever you want, you can use background color. We can give background color as well. Background color, when it comes to background color, see in programming, you can give colors in different ways. There is a website called Color Hunt. Okay, COLORHUNT. This website gives you different colors. Okay, and when I click on this, it will copy a hex code. We call it as hex code, hash EC. If you know designing, anyone, if you know designing, you will know about hex code.
Yes,
Every
sir.
color has a hex code. Okay, now when I click on this, it will get copied. What you can do is, here they said background color is there, right? What is this? BG color. Okay, so I'll give BG color equal to, inside this you should paste that hex code. Okay, you should put a hash. Let us see whether the background color will come or not. See, it came. Understood? Now if I change the hex code, the color will change. Let me put this, let me copy this. We should put a hash before. Okay, if not it won't come. See, understood?
Sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is about tables. Okay, see, if you understand the basic structure only, then you can develop good websites. Now we are giving structure to our website. After that we will do designing part. After that we will do our functionality part. Okay, and then we will go to the server side and all that. Okay. Okay, so now by using this, let us start developing this. At the end I will tell you one more concept. Okay, let us start doing this. Now you should tell me, I will do it. Okay, yes, will you, will you try? Because
Yes, sir.
everything is
Yes, sir.
I have explained already. Okay, so first I will delete this table. Now tell me, which tag should I take the first according to this?
Header, sir.
Header.
Header. What is header? This one here. Header I have given. Okay, fine. Now inside body we will start with this. Okay, first what should I take?
H1, sir. H1.
H1.
Heading text.
This is their image. You forgot this. First we should give image. See,
Image. Ha, image.
before going to that, this is aligned. If you see image side, we got this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Okay. So first we will create a table. Okay. First we will create a table. Inside the table, we will give one table row. Okay. Wait a minute. Uh, we will create a table. Okay. See, observe. Inside this, we will create a table row. Okay. Inside this, we will have our image first. Okay. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Img image. Okay, see, yesterday we gave our network image, right? Today we should not do like that, because we are going to host this website. Okay, you should not do like that. What you should do is, you should create a folder. Okay, let's say I'll create some folder. Let's say images. Okay. Okay, images, and inside this you should add your own image from your laptop or from your device. Okay, yesterday we were doing with network. Okay, if you do like that, you should drag this some image and you should put it inside images. Okay, I'll just rename it. Okay, now what you can do is, instead of giving link directly, you can just click on this, right click on it, you can click on copy path. Okay, and you can paste this path here. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or else from here also you can give alternate image is loading. Okay, now if I run, I got the image. What can I do to reduce the size?
Width and height.
10 bits
Height,
you can change.
height or width.
Yes. Let me give it height. Height equal to, let's say, 30. It's too small. Let me give it 150. Actually, we can change it to circular. We should use circle website. Okay. There are many websites which give you circular image. But now I'm not doing. Okay. You can make that image circular, add it here, and you can add it. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, right? Some websites make your images circular. Yes. Do you know that? Or should I do that? I'll do it. See. Uh, circle image crop. It is
Sir,
going somewhere.
you can use border radius also, no, sir?
It is there for image text. In documentation, it is there.
Uh,
We should check whether
no, sir.
image has that or not.
Okay, sir.
I'll check it. Wait. Image, HTML, MDN docs. Let us see. Let us see it attributes whether border radius is there or not. These are the attributes. Okay. Here you have attributes. Alt is there. Cross origin, anonymous user credentials, decoding, sync, elementing. These all height we gave, loading, sizes, src, width. Deprecated means these are not in use. You cannot use this. Deprecated means they have updated that. Okay. You see here border radius is not there. See, actually, basically this HTML is just to give the structure. Whenever it comes to
Okay, sir.
CSS, you can do whatever you want with everything. Okay. I'll tell you those. Okay. When you understand CSS, it will be easy for you. For now, I am uploading here. I will change that image for your understanding. See, this will directly convert my image. I think you can do that. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
You can do this. You can download this and you can add it to that. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, in after this, what we will do is here our first column is completed. Okay. I guess we are doing something wrong. Image I have given it here. What should I do to get towards the side? Can anyone guess? Inside this table row, if I give text, what happens? Only one will come, right? We can give only one. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just check it up. Are you getting any idea? Try for it. Like what it can be done using table. Try. Okay. Yeah. So yes. Did you get any idea?
Sir, in a single table row, we can use multiple table data.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, we can use TD, right? Inside this TD, we will give our first image. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, now great. You understood. Now, actually, I forgot TD itself directly. Here we can give another TD, and inside this we can give whatever we want. See, if you see here, what we have, name. Here I can give H1. Understood, all of you? Let me give it H2. Yes? Yeah, Vallusa. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, we have founder and CEO of this. What I can give paragraph, right? Founder and founder. Okay. Now here she kept hyperlink. Now what can I do to get hyperlink to this?
Anchor
I
tag.
can
Yes, sir.
I can add anchor tag directly here. But anchor tag has href. Here for now I'll give some. I'll I'll give this. Okay, link. Fine. Now when I click on that, it should take me to that. Okay. P. Next what it is there? I am a web developer. I love coffee brew from my home. Okay. Now here we can write our P. I am a I'll see, we can add those emojis directly. What you can do is you can copy and paste it from any website. Uh, if I can copy this and paste it here. Okay, understood? Do you know this? Like you can copy those all. See, okay, fine. Now we got it. Now when I click on this, it should take me to that. It is taking fine. Now here, in order to align all those, what should I give? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, I have one doubts like
Yeah,
Enter, sir.
like you make a like three rows or only make one row and put the three statements like
one row I have taken.
yeah.
The first element I have given as image. Okay, in that
Okay.
row, first element. If you see here, in this first row, first element I have given image, but second element I have given three elements.
Okay, yeah.
Understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Here what I can do, I can give cell spacing or cell padding. I'll give cell padding so that it will look good. Cell padding equal to, let's say, 10. Padding in the sense distance, okay, like gap. Okay, fine. Good to go. Can we go to the next part? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Now tell me, what should I do for this line?
HR, sir.
After the
HR.
table. After the table, I can take HR. Next, after that HR,
H2, sir.
Heading tag use.
what it is given there? Books and teachings. Books and teachings. After this, now you should tell me this.
List, sir.
What is that list?
Unordered list. UL.
Okay, fine, very good. Unordered list. Inside this,
LI, sir.
okay, very good. First one is, let's say I'll give some random. I'm giving something. second li. Okay, now I'll run and see. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Are we going good? Yes. Now tell me next.
HR, sir.
Again HR, sir.
See, where I am writing the code also is important. Okay, how I am following the structure. This is the table part. Okay, see, you can collapse like this. That means entire table will be inside one line now. Okay, this is the HR part. This is the H2 part. Okay, you understand the structure as well. Okay, now tell me what should I give here?
Again, table, sir.
You went to table.
Uh,
We didn't give
H2,
heading.
sir. H2.
Heading,
Yes.
heading tag.
Other two, like only two are speaking. Others you are also understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Total four. Are you understanding? Four of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shubham, you.
Yes, sir.
Deep, you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Very good. Yeah. So now let us try H2. We should give you here work experience. EXP. I don't know the spelling. Okay, don't know. Yeah. After H2, now what should I give? See this and tell me.
Table,
Table,
sir.
sir.
Table.
Table. Inside this, all of you
Table
try to
heading.
answer. All of you
Yes.
open your mic.
Table heading.
Table
Table
heading.
head. Inside this, th, dates. After this, th, work.
Works.
After this, t body.
Table body.
Inside this, td. Td or tr? Tr.
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 Inside this, td.
TD.
First one we will give 2010 to 2015. Okay. Here inside this td, Ramu developer at. Okay, and next again I am taking another table row. Understanding na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2016. Did I open my WhatsApp? No. Okay. Here inside this td, developer IBM. Okay. Now let us run and check it. Is it like this? No, na? We need to
No,
have
sir.
some
No.
padding.
Align.
To have some, let us give some cell padding. Cell means each cell. Okay. Let me give it 20. 20 is more. Tomorrow you guys should do this website and show me. Will you do it? Like you take up to Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think H2 is too big. Let us reduce this as well. Let me change it to H3. I can reduce this to 5. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us go to next. This one, who will tell?
Yeah, HR, sir.
HR.
Uh,
After this,
Heading H4 is
skills. After this,
table, sir.
after this,
Table head.
table head is not there, not required. Okay. You can directly write T body. Inside this, TR. Inside this, TD.
TD.
First one is app development. TD. Here you can directly copy the emoji from here. This website. Where is this star? I think I should search. Okay. बापरे. Net is too slow, I guess. Why it is taking this much time? Let us copy it from here. Unable to copy. Okay, I'm copying it from here. 5. Okay, I should take another table row. TD. See, these are the basics which you need to remember always. Why I am stressing out more is whenever we go forward, these basics will be your base point. Okay. So even though if you have small doubt, you ask me. Okay. Are you hearing? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
iOS development. I don't know this a bit, so I'll put 2 stars. I'll take one more. Web inside this TD. Web development. Are you feeling easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I'll take one more. Okay, 3 are enough for now. Okay, I'm running. Now let us check. Fine. It's good, right?
Yes, sir.
So now what we should do is we should click put my hobbies and contact me. Here in here I should take what tag?
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag href. This is very important. Here my hobbies. This is not just a link. When I click on this web page should take me to that page. When I click on contact me, it should take me to contact me page, which will look like this, which should look like this. Okay, understood? This,
Yes.
only this part.
Yes, sir.
So here inside href, what you will do is inside our main folder is there now, we will create another folder. Okay, what we will do is contactors.page, contactors.html. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now here we will do this design. Okay, in order to do, first we should have our boilerplate. Okay, this is common for all. Here what should I give the title? Whenever you are going to new page,
Contact.
see
Contact.
whenever you go, they will change this also. See, whenever I went to this page, it changed to star emojis. In the same way, contact us. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In the body, what can I do? Only this. This you leave it. H1 TTP. Okay, I'll take like that. Or else H2 my contact details paragraph Jayasuriya Valsa @gmail.com. One more P, my phone number. And the other one is what? Address. I'll give some P. Okay, now if I run, which will be run first? Can anyone tell me? See, even though if I run, I'm getting this page only. Because, see, whenever an HTML file is run, it will first run index.html only. Why I gave index is also important. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Index.html is the starting point of HTML website. Okay, wherever you see any website, every execution starts from index.html. See, if you take this website or any website, this code, this entire home page is written in index.html, the structure of this. Okay, now if I want to run this, I should right click and copy this path, and I should paste it here. It will run like that. Okay, understood? I'm just running this HTML file. I'll just delete this. Now what I want is when I click on this, it should take me to that. It's not my hobbies, it's my contact details. Where is this? What should I do? Can anyone guess?
Yes, sir.
Can you guess?
Put that link in href, sir.
Very good. What I can do is I can just click on this, copy the path and paste it here. Fine. Now if I run and when I click on this, it has taken to me this. Fine.
Yes, sir. Also, sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can use dot slash to take that path.
What you can do is you can
Sir.
just delete everything
Yes, sir.
and you can put dot slash. I guess
Yes.
it will come. I too don't know. Let me try. Yes, it's working. Good. Instead of copying from our C drive, you can directly use like this. Okay. And one more is there, which is another anchor tag, which is my hobbies. Sorry, my hobbies. I should create one more file. So you understood, right? Overall, should I create?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Should I create?
Yes, sir.
Again, it's
No,
repeating.
no, sir.
Is it
It,
needed?
No, sir.
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
Not needed.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you understood everything up to now. We created this. Yes. Here I think we missed one. Okay. Where is our website? Yes, everything is fine. So now when I click on this my contact details, okay, instead of me showing details here only, I want something like this below this. Okay, here there are two files involved. What are those? Can anyone tell? When I click on submit, something should happen, right? Something should happen means what should be present? Which file should be present?
Node.js. Backend.
Button, sir.
JS,
JavaScript.
only
JS.
JS. Yes.
Okay.
But now we are not going to that. We will just create this. Okay, we will just create this. How to create this? Okay. See, from the starting we have learnt many tags, bold, italic, all tags. Okay. This is the one tag which is very important. Okay, which we call it as form tag, FORM. Okay. We'll go to contact dot form means whenever you go to apply something. Okay, whenever you go to apply for bank, what you will do, you will take a form, right? Yes.
Yes,
In
sir.
that form, you will be having so many inputs. Okay. In the same way here also, we will create a form, and at the end you need to submit it. Okay. So if you see this, see we can actually design our tables like this. I forgot to tell you. Okay. See, why do we use in order to design like this we need to add CSS. It's not possible with only HTML. Okay, to get these colors. If you see here inside this table, he have given a class name fixed headers. Okay, this comes under CSS class concept. Okay, I'll tell you this later. Okay, understood the basic part, right? So in order to get this design we need CSS. I'll
Okay,
tell
sir.
you how to do that. Okay, now you just understand this part. Okay, see, he has taken a form. Okay, Inside this, he have given a label, name, and he have taken an input, which is type equal to text. That means in that input you can enter only text. You cannot enter images. Okay, numbers. And he have taken a button. Let us try this. Okay, if I try, you can understand. I'll take a break. Okay, so that some gap will come. Now I'll take our form. Okay, when I type form, action is coming. Okay, okay, this
Yes.
action, let it be like that. Okay, this action is called when I click on submit. I'll tell you later. Okay, now let us take our first one. Okay, let me take a label. Label means just text. You can delete this for. Here I'll give name. Okay, let's say name colon. Okay, inside this I'll take our first input. Okay, input type equal to text. Fine. Okay,
Yes.
now if I run, see the output. Name colon, here you can type text. Understood how simple it is? Just because of this tag it is changing. If I give this type submit, see what happens. Can anyone guess?
Button.
It will become a button. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Like this there are many. If you give submit, it will. If I take file, you can choose a file directly. See how crazy it is. If I put it file, you can choose a file directly. If I put data, what
Date.
is date, sorry. If I put date, we can choose date. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
If I put radio, radio means radio button, which means you will understand. See, this is the button. Okay, and what else? Range means this one. You can select a range. Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this label is just to add something before it. Okay, now let us start creating this. Where is this? This one. Okay, what should I do? Your name. Instead of name, I should put here your name. Okay, what should I give input? Type
Text.
text. Okay, I am taking another one. I'll take a break here. I'll take another label. This fur will come, you just remove it. Email. Okay, your email. See, these can be used only inside form. Remember. Okay,
Okay, sir.
inside input, what should I take now?
Email.
How do you know that email is there? You are telling randomly.
Sir, actually, I have learned it before.
You know HTML before?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then you are wasting time, Nayar. You know everything before, like all these what I told you.
Yes, sir. I know.
But at this core level, do you know?
Sir, I know HTML and CSS.
Okay, fine, no problem. Your email, next one. I think it will be a good revision for you.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Your message. Okay, let me take. You are also from uh,
I'm, I'm from.
mechanical.
I'm from. No, sir. I have done BCA.
Okay, fine. So yeah, everyone, are you understanding like others as well? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Aman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Everyone's voice are same. So see here, what is there is, this is a text box which you can increase the size or which you can reduce the size. Okay, by putting your cursor here. So it is text
Yeah.
area, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Text area, yes. It is text area. Let us remove all this. Name and ID are not required. That means this is the first size, basic size, 30 and 10. Now if I run, if you see, you'll see it. See, you can just increase this or decrease this. Most of the websites, see, whenever you see something like this here, you need to understand he has used text area. In many websites, you can observe this. Okay. Why we are not getting this kind of alignment? Okay. Forgot something. Okay. So let me put a BR and then add this. Okay. Fine. Uh, Let me add a space here so that the alignment will be good. Okay, fine. Now the last one is submit. Okay,
Yes, sir.
input, submit. Okay, now here when I enter something, if I didn't put at the rate, it will show some error. Okay, please include at the rate in the email address because we have given here type as email. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now let us do some simple functionality. Okay, now when I click on this submit, what it should do is it should take all the details. Okay, and it should mail to someone. Okay, how, see here inside action, what I can do is mail to, I can write something like this, mail to colon, let me type some my mail. Okay, jayasuriya valusa @gmail.com. Okay, and here you should give names for everyone. Like let's say whenever I type any name here, let's say I have typed my name, it should be stored in some variable. Okay, like let's say inside this first one, if I give name here, name equal to let's say I'll give uh, your name. Okay, what happens is whatever the user enters in this, it will be stored inside your name. Okay, understood this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat like?
1 minute. See, for every tag, every input tag, you can add name and give it a name. Okay,
Yes.
whatever you name you give here, inside this, whatever you enter here, that will be stored.
Okay.
If I call this will print directly what I entered here. It's like key value pairs. Yesterday we have learned, right? Name equal to Jayasuriya. Okay, now what it will become is your name is equal to what you entered here, your email equal to what you entered, your whatever you give here. I have given email address, that means email address equal to what you have entered here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Here I'll give one more name which is equal to message. Now when I submit, when I click on this submit, what happens is this action will be performed. Okay, let us check whether it will work or not. I will enter Jayasuriya. It may not work also. Here I will enter and some message. Okay, see it is asking to open mail always. Now if you see here, see it has taken to this, but it is not showing data. Why? See, actually it has opened our mail. It should actually show here what we have written here, what we have entered here. Here I have entered these values, right? It should show those values inside this, but I think mail is not support. This is Outlook, right? That is why it's not supporting. Understood? See, from there I am writing a mail. I am sending a mail to someone. This is the functionality which you can do with submit. This is simple functionality which you can do in HTML also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can just remove this. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let me revamp what we have learned today. Okay, we have built this website, we have taken our image, we have learned two things: HTML tables and HTML forms. This is the forms. Okay, this is the form, and HTML table is this one. Okay, with this we have completed most of the HTML, like 95% of HTML. If there is anything more, I will tell you in between. When we are developing, some will come. Okay, div and all that, I'll tell you those when we are developing. Okay, these are the basic tags which you have to know in HTML. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So from tomorrow, we will go with CSS, which will take around 2 days, I guess. With that, we will complete our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basics will take around 5 days, like the coding concepts. Okay, and after that, we will start developing directly our websites, and then Node.js, Express.js, all will come. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So let me revamp what we have learned today, and based on this, again we will have a quiz on Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay. Uh, we have learned HTML tables, HTML forms. Okay. We have developed this. We learned how to do basic website. Now I'll tell you about hosting. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. I forgot that. Now what I want someone, if I go back, when I give some link, see, if I give this link, will it work for you? See, if I share this link with you
No,
all,
sir.
try to open it. Try to open this. Will it open? No, na, because that file is in my folder in my PC. How can it get access to you? So what you should do is you should host it somewhere in the server. Okay. So GitHub provides you free server. Okay. What you can do is, you know GitHub.
No, sir.
Okay. Then let us do it tomorrow. Okay. I'll tell you about GitHub detail, and then after we will host it. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Because GitHub takes
Sir,
some time.
also
Yeah.
explain the installation of the GitHub, like,
Okay. I'll tell you.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Git is different, GitHub is different. I'll tell you those. Okay. It will take time. Like it will take around 20 minutes to explain. Uh, Today I think we don't have time. So I'll tell you tomorrow, okay? Like that means on Tuesday. So hope you understood, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are making use of course. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So try to do this website. Okay, try to do this. I will share the screenshot, okay? Try to complete it. If it's okay for you, like if you get time, you do it. Okay. Yeah. So we will end it up here today. I am just stopping the recording. Yeah. I will share you the recording. Okay.